Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need rainbow pony beads, white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a piece of string here that measures 60 inches. And you're going to start by putting on 5 pink beads. And we're going to hold these two ends and let the beads fall to the middle. Our next row, we're going to add 2 white, 1 pink, and then 2 more white. We're going to take the other piece of string and we're going to go through all these beads. You're going to grab both ends and hold, and then pull these down to the middle. Now we're going to add 2 pink, 1 white, and 2 pink. We're going to take this side and go through all these beads. And now that we have the bracelet started, we can just grab these ends and then pull. So we already have the center. The next row is going to be 5 white beads. We're going to take this string and go through all those beads. We're going to grab both ends and then pull. We're going to add 5 orange, we're going to take this string and go through all those beads, grab the ends and then pull. We're going to add an orange, white, orange, and then 2 white. We're going to take this string and go through all these beads. Grab the ends and pull. We're going to add 5 orange, take this string and go through all those beads. If I can get through there. There we go. Grab the ends. The next row will be 5 white, take this side and go all the way through, pull the ends. Now we're going to add 5 yellow, take our string and go all the way through, grab the ends and pull. Now we're going to add 1 yellow, 4 white, go through all those beads, grab the ends and pull. We're going to add 5 yellow, We're going to go all the way through. Grab the ends. We're going to add 5 white. We're going to go through all those beads. Now we're going to add 5 green. We're going to go through all those beads. Grab your ends and pull. Now we're going to add 1 green, 3 white, and 1 green. And we're going to go through all those beads. Okay, now we're going to add 1 white and then 3 green and 1 more white. We're going to go through all those beads. Alright, I'm starting to run out of string, so we can tighten this bracelet to get some more string. So to do that, we're going to hold this and then pull the bracelet, or pull these rows down. Okay, so we have this tightened now, and we have a little more string to work with. Our next row is going to be 5 white, and then we're going to go through these beads. Our next row is going to be 5 blue, we're going to go through those beads and then pull. Our next row is 5 white, we're going to go through those beads. And you might need to do this a few times if you run out of string. Plus you want to tighten the bracelet up a little bit so it's not too loose. Okay, so at this point we have our pattern on, and we need to make this bracelet fit the size of your wrist. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few rows of white to get the length of my wrist. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I ended up adding 5 rows of the white, and now we need to connect these ends. So you're going to take one side of the string, and we're going to go through all these beads over here. If I can get through here. There we go. And then you're gonna put these ends together, pull, and then make a knot. Let's try that again. It's kind of hard to get a knot when you're running on a string. Alright, we're going to cut this. And that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.